Oh my god, stop scrolling. Seriously, I know you're tired of expensive creams and crazy detoxes that don't work. What if I told you there's a 160-calorie drink that gives you clear skin and crazy energy in, like, 1 week? This ain't clickbait, sis. Look at my skin. You just found your new favorite smoothie. This is the viral Strawberry Beet Glow Up Smoothie, and I'm gonna break down the real tea behind it. We're talking science-backed detox and collagen-boosting power. Here's the roadmap for this video. First, why your current routine is failing you. Second, the exact recipe and why these ingredients are the GOAT. Let's get this glow up started. Be honest, how many of you are dragging by 3 p.m.? How many of you look in the mirror and just see dull, tired skin? We're all doing the most, but our bodies are quietly screaming. Here's the deal. Toxins from stress, bad food, and even the air we breathe are making your skin break out and stealing your energy. We buy all the expensive serums, but the real solution starts inside. You can't put a Band-Aid on a broken system. This isn't just about a drink. It's a whole health blueprint. Clearer complexion, better focus, and they actually look forward to their daily detox. That's the power of targeting the root cause, liver health. And that's where our Glow Up Smoothie comes in. It's time to ditch the junk and get your health game on fleek. Alright, let's get into the recipe. We're keeping it super chill with this. No crazy ingredients you have to search the whole store for. Here are the only 4 things you need. Strawberries about 4 to 5 large, beetroot 5 to 6 slices, half a lemon, and some water. That's it. Now, the magic isn't just the ingredients, it's the ratio. The lemon and strawberry combo is genius because it perfectly cancels out that earthy dirt flavor from the beets. Seriously, no cap, this drink is the truth. Step 1. Prep your ingredients. Make sure your beetroot is peeled and chopped up. Pro tip, raw beets are extra nutritious, but you need a powerful blender for a silky texture. If you're using a low-end one, your smoothie will be chunky, and nobody wants that. Step 2. Toss it in. Drop the beets, strawberries, and the lemon juice into your blender. Listen up. Start with just enough water to barely cover the ingredients. Start small, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. We're aiming for that perfect smoothie consistency, not too thick, not too watery. The goal is a rich, satisfying 160-calorie treat. Step 3. Blend it up, sis. Blend on high until it's completely smooth. You don't want any chunky bits. If your blender is struggling, stop, scrape down the sides, and blend again. This meticulous blending is essential for maximum impact on your clear skin because it makes all those nutrients bioavailable. Pour it into a tall glass and enjoy your path to a total glow up. Now that you have the basic recipe, let's level up. Want to take this smoothie up another notch? Gold tip number 1. Frozen strawberries are the move. They make the smoothie thicker and colder without having to add ice. Total hack for a creamy texture. Gold tip number 2. Optional boosts. Try adding a teaspoon of ginger for an anti-inflammatory kick, or a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and satiety. These additions keep the low-calorie smoothie dynamic. Look, you're busy. But taking 5 minutes to whip up this clear skin drink is the easiest way to give your body a huge win. We covered the recipe, the science, and the results. It's a total lifestyle change, period. Commit to this for 1 week, and you'll be shocked by the results. This is your sign to start your glow-up journey today. Ready to sip and slay? Don't let this recipe just be another scroll. I need you to do 3 things right now. First, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more glow-up secrets. Second, tell me in the comments, are you going to try this detox smoothie tomorrow morning? Let me know. And most important, third, if you need the blender that makes this happen, click the affiliate link in the description right now to check out the best deal. Go snag these strawberries and beets. You deserve this. Thanks for watching.